What's going on, fellow YouTubers? I'm happy to announce that project trailer is finally complete. I'll give you guys a walk around and I'll put you know, prices of every item, where I got it from, up here, so you can see that I pretty much wasted only roughly under $500 to get this trailer set up. Now, it's not the best in the world. It's not, oh my god, so professional. It's mine, it'll do, and it works. I'll give you a quick glance on the outside on the stuff that I've done, and then we'll move on to the inside. She's a 5x8 trailer. Yes, it's a small trailer, but it works for me. It's what I could afford and what I'm going to be starting with. I just saw that it didn't have too much issues around the body. The wheels were in good condition. It was able to hook up and everything was able to work, so that's what caught my eye. On top of the price, I got this trailer for about $1,000 and she works. So the very first thing outside, what we went ahead and did is we changed all the lights. Yes, there's damage. The bodywork and the paint is going to be done in a later day. I just need this to be functional for now, so I don't have to be unloading then reloading stuff inside my truck. Now I could just hook up to the trailer, go do what I have to do, come back, drop it off. All right, so like I was saying, the very first thing that we went ahead and we did was we changed the lights. The lights that I originally had, they weren't working well, or they had some type of humidity in the outside, so I just went ahead and changed the lights. All 4 lights are changed, including the back lights. And let's just go around here. So I'll explain to you guys why there's such a tight squeeze here in my house in a little bit. So these lights also, they were changed. Total there about, I don't know, 20 bucks in Harbor Freight. They're working, they're blinking, left turn signal, right turn signal, hazard lights, brake lights, daytime running lights. It all works, fully functional, road ready. So 20 bucks. The very next thing that I got here is this pin security, the ball pin security. It's key activated, right? You put the key in, you twist it, it unhooks, put it back on, twist the key, and it locks. And it'll be pretty difficult for somebody to come in here and hook up to this trailer without chopping all of this off. Link in my description to this I bought on Amazon. This was probably, I think, like $24.99 or something like that. All right, so let me show you how this part of the locking mechanism works. So find the key. I got a crap load of keys. I look like a freaking janitor, but let's see which one it is. I believe it's this one. And try again. There we go. So you just turn, pull off, take off the top pin, and lock it whenever it's ready. So whenever you need to use it, you just unlock it, pull off the hinge, you put it where you need it, you get a nice secure seal here, you lock it, and it's in place. It's not going anywhere. The next piece of security that I got is this wheel lock that it also has a key function over here. All right, so if somebody wants to go with my trailer, they can't go anywhere too far. I mean, yeah, you could take off the wheel, but then you're not gonna hook it up to anything. And it's sturdy. It's gonna hit up here, so you're gonna have to take this off for it to even roll, or try to roll, which it's only gonna end up back here again. So that also is about 25 bucks on Amazon. Link in the description to that. Okay, show you how this one works. It's a key right here, key access here, put the key in, you unlock it. Now This adjusts to many different tire sizes, whether it's thin or larger. Then you just lock it to one of the holes that are here, and it'll be sturdy. Nobody's gonna take it. I do have a master lock right here, so nobody could just, you know, open that. They could take off the hinges if they wanted to, but if they take off the hinges, they're gonna have to deal with this tight space that I have right here. Let's start over here. Collapsible safety cones, reflective. They're being held on by bungees, and these are screwed into the wood on the door. These hooks and the bungees I got in Harbor Freight. In total, I got quite an amount of these. I'll show you guys when we go through the rest of the trailer. Collapsible safety cones. These you can find on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. I got my blade up here for when I need to cut stuff, my gloves, ear protection, and that's pretty much it that I tried to utilize on this side of the door. So this is a beginner's trailer. Now I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, but he has this on wood and it's not even secured. Somebody's gonna take this stuff. Hey, the only way that they're gonna take this stuff, because I'm gonna be closing the door every time I pull something out and work on a client's lawn, is if they break the lock or the hinges and they really want to come in here and take the stuff. So apart from that, at home I'm pretty much secure. All right, so let's just go up here. So here we got the edger string trimmer, the Ryobi edger 40-volt wood that is screwed into the metal brackets going across the trailer. So these are metal tap-ins that are holding the 2x4 and screwed into here, being held by another hook, bungee cord. Yes, again, it's not secure, it doesn't have a lock, but it will do. I got another one over there holding the front, and this is not going anywhere. It's not even going to turn. It's not going to go anywhere. Same thing for the bottom. This is also this is actually the new 40-volt carbon fiber Ryobi string trimmer, expanded attachments, etc. Let me know if you want a review on this. I just got this weekend, but same setup, hooks with a bungee, top and bottom, holding all that down. All right, right here on the side I have, you know, my string for my string trimmers for when I need. Now here I have fully functional working lights. Switch, turn on the lights, turn off the switch, turn off the lights. Now my echo blower, I also have it strapped down here. It's not gonna go nowhere. It's very secure. It's very tight. It's not going anywhere. Also have a bungee cord over there holding the throttle button so that doesn't flop up and down. Got my 21-inch recycler, my 30-inch Time Master here. Both of them same thing, being held down by bungees, strapped down to the board below. You see, and she's not going anywhere either. It's very tight in there. Got my ramps here. As you notice, this door opens sideways. I'll work on later having a door that, you know, folds down and is a ramp, but for now I'll have to carry the ramps with me. Same thing, they are secured by bungees. It's not going nowhere. Go over to this side. See, I have my Ryobi blower here, and I have my hedge trimmer there. One bungee just holding those two together right here in the middle so it doesn't flop down. Now these are being held by these L brackets. Again, Harbor Freight. It's just right here hanging on. And these L brackets are also right above where I have these other smaller L brackets, all of them also attached to this 2x4 with the self-tapping metal screw. I got my broom, shovel, rake, and dethatcher thing right here. So that's all, again, secure. It's not going nowhere. I just unhook, you know, whatever I need to unhook, grab whatever I need to get, put it back, and it's good. So here I got my broadcast spreader. I'm debating on keeping this here. So back here, got the gas can. It's open. Yes, I know this is just a broken one that I'm using for now. I'm gonna buy a new one this weekend. Also going to be held by some bungees back here. Now there's only one, but I'm gonna have 2 or 3 taking up this space. I have a smaller can here. That's gonna be my fuel and oil mix for my Echo blower. I have two sprayers back here, 2 Scott sprayers. Links are in the description to all this. So in these bags, just because I don't want this to fly everywhere, I got fertilizer, I got pre-emergent, I got insecticide, I got fungicide. I have all that stuff in here. I just don't want the granulars because it's not 100% secure right now to fly everywhere, so they're in these bags for now. And up here, last thing is, I have my Ryobi batteries with a quick charge right here that could plug into my car. They're all pretty much charged. I charge them every week, but you know, in case of an emergency, I have an adapter that connects to my car, and I can use this. Just regular tools. And here I got my measuring cup, oil, and all my next products. I got Blindside, Celsius, insecticide, all that stuff. It's all secured. It's all strapped down here, so it's not gonna fly out and go all over the place. All right, so a quick rundown on how much I wasted in this setup. So for the 2x4s that I used back there to make the shelf and the plywood that I used to reinforce the floor, plus the self-tapping metal screws and drywall screws, I wasted about $120 in Home Depot. Obviously everything else I pretty much had. The lights for the outside, and these lights, it was about $40 in Harbor Freight. These 2 pieces of security for my trailer was about $80 in total, something like that, on Amazon. All right, so in all, for everything that you see here, under $500, functional, effective, everything is in here. It's a mobile lawn service now, and again, I don't have to pack most of this stuff up in the bed of my truck, unload it when I get back, reload it when I have to go do another client lawn. I could just take off my safety security measures, hook up my trailer, go do what I have to do, and come back. Alright, so just showing you guys that I am drenched in sweat. That's that Florida weather for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, as I said, I'm not this big time lawn care professional yet, doing hundreds of client lawns. I'm only doing a couple a week, and this setup that I have here is just perfect for me. In the future, we'll look at putting the ramp, the door ramp, so it could come down, and that way I can eliminate the ramps that I have there, and it could be more easily, you know, the flow could work a lot more easily, unloading and loading stuff up. After that, I don't know, we'll look into, depending on how my lawn service business goes, we'll look into maybe a stand-on mower, I really need one, especially for like 2 lawns that I do. They're just huge, and I'm push mowing the crap out of that. So but you know, we all start somewhere, and I am happy from where I started, from where I began, and I see great things from where I'm going. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but this was the reason why. We were working on this trailer, get it ready, so I could just do what I had to do this week with my lawn service and my clients. More videos to come this week. Thank you all for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.